Good morning, guys, from Miami Beach. Not really, guys. Locked at home with this COVID-19. Hope all of you are staying safe. I do, however, got a new video, long time due. I got a new car back in January, but I haven't done any videos. Chevy. I know it's weird. I always been with Ford and Mustangs, but I think I saw the light after I tried it out. Here it is. All right, what do you guys think it is? All right, let me set the camera down and we get some footage of me removing the cover. There you have it, guys. 2019 Chevy Camaro SS 1 Elite. Let's do a walk around here. First walk around. All right, guys, let's get a cold start. So guys, here you have the LT1 engine, 455 horsepower, 455 torque, all V8 push rod. I like it a lot better than the Coyote engines I've been having. Definitely a lot more down low grunt, more torque down low. Very happy with this car. I had, as you know, a bunch of cars, around 27, and this is the one that feels the most sporty, the most rewarding to drive. Even beating the BMW that I had, the 120, the 135 that I had. Let me give you an interior shot. This is the 2SS trim level, so got some anti lighting, cool and heated seats, some nice Recaro seats. Suede, or whatever you want to call this material, Alcantara suede. Same thing with the shift knob, electric handbrake or parking brake, your driving modes, you have track, snow and ice, touring, sport, and track. You should like it in sport better. Got your analog gauges and then the center gauges with the oil pressure, coolant temperature, gas, and voltage meter. Very good infotainment system with your AC controls down here, your temperature, center console, not much space in there. The seats are very nice bolster. It's got very nice interior materials, my opinion. I really enjoying this car. It's got the Bose sound system, and the back just regular Camaro Mustang space. seat memory. We'll see what the videos coming up. Guess I have to take it to the place where I take the other Mustangs for a fun drive. And stay tuned for more, guys, as always, and leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see in the description. Oh, by the way, I'm now selling the previous car that you saw on the previous video, which is the 2003 Mustang GT. So if you guys are interested, I guess I'll put information on the description box of this car. Alright guys, stay tuned and stay safe during this COVID-19 times.